All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to talk about China's huge leap forward in AI. And it's not just about fancy computers and brilliant code. There's a secret ingredient here, something most people totally miss, and it's powered by humans.
When you hear AI, what pops into your head? Probably something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Robots, crazy futures. But the thing is, AI isn't some far-off concept anymore. It's here, right now. And honestly, it's a lot more down to earth than you'd think.
Okay, so let's get real for a second. We've got to ditch the whole sentient robot idea. The best way to think about AI today, especially the machine learning part, is, well, it's kind of like Excel on steroids. Seriously. Its main job is just to predict things and sort them into categories. It's a tool, a ridiculously powerful tool for sure, but not some kind of magic.
So, if AI is just a tool, then the big question is, how does a country get really good at using it? Well, it turns out there's a recipe, a kind of AI superpower recipe, if you will, and it's got 3 absolutely essential ingredients.
Now, the first 2 ingredients, they're kind of no-brainers. You need elite scientists, the best of the best, to push the theories forward. And of course, you need a ton of money and support to back them up. That's the foundation. But what about that third ingredient? That's where things get really interesting.
First up, talent. And let me tell you, China is an absolute powerhouse here. Get this, almost a third, 29% of the top-tier AI researchers working right here in the US are actually from China. That's the biggest group from any single country. So, yeah, the brainpower is definitely there.
And then there's the money, the capital, and the commitment is just huge. You've got these tech giants, Baidu, which is going all in on AI, moving away from just search. You've got ByteDance. Think about it, TikTok's entire magic is its crazy good AI recommendation engine. And then, of course, you've got the behemoths, Alibaba and Tencent. They're all pouring billions and billions of dollars into this, making AI the absolute core of what they do.
Okay, so we've got the talent, we've got the cash. Now for that third, secret ingredient. This is the one that's so often overlooked, but honestly, it might just be China's biggest ace in the hole. It's the real game changer.
So what is it? It's people. Simple as that. A massive, massive human workforce. In fact, China has created a whole new, officially recognized profession, artificial intelligence trainer. Yeah, you heard that right. Their entire job is to teach the machines.
And the scale here, it's just mind-boggling. The tech giant Baidu, they're planning to hire 50,000 of these trainers at a single data facility. 50,000! That's basically the size of a small city, with everyone's job being to train AI. Just let that sink in for a moment.
So what do these AI trainers actually do? Well, it's not glamorous. It's painstaking manual work. They're labeling data. For example, to teach a self-driving car, someone has to sit there and manually draw boxes around every single car, trace every traffic lane, and tag every pedestrian in millions and millions of images. They are literally teaching the AI, pixel by painful pixel, what the world looks like. They turn messy, raw data into something a machine can actually learn from.
So, let's put it all together. What happens when you mix elite talent, huge amounts of cash, and this incredible human-powered training engine? Well, AI stops being a lab experiment and explodes into the real world. And in China, it's not some future tech thing. It's woven into the fabric of daily life, right now.
I mean, just look at what happened in 2020 alone. You had AI-powered health codes that were crucial in managing the pandemic. You had Baidu's AI figuring out complex mRNA structures in just 16 minutes, a process that used to take forever, and that helped speed up vaccine research for everyone. Then you had actual robotaxis with no drivers picking up passengers on city streets. And you even started seeing virtual news anchors and bank tellers interacting with people. It was an absolute explosion of AI in the real world.
And all of this leads to maybe the most important point of all. In the world of AI, getting there first matters a lot. There's this massive first-mover advantage that builds on itself, creating this unstoppable momentum. See, every AI starts off kind of dumb. It's like a baby learning to walk. It's going to fall down, it's going to make a ton of mistakes. The real race isn't about who has the perfect AI on day one. It's about who can get through that messy, awkward, low-accuracy phase the fastest and the cheapest. And by using this massive human workforce, China's basically able to sprint through that learning curve while everyone else is still crawling. Which brings us to a really fascinating paradox to end on. As these AI systems get smarter and more powerful, will they need us less?
Or will reaching that next level of intelligence actually require even more human teaching, more human guidance? It's a wild thought, isn't it? That the future of artificial intelligence might actually be more human than any of us ever expected.